YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Nas Thrax, and I'm coming at y'all with my third installment in the How to Build a Man Cave. I'm gonna be documenting how I put up my posters and where I want to put them up at. I'm also gonna be showing y'all a little bit more of the Dropfront boxes. Got a lot of love on these, so I just want to detail them a little bit for y'all so y'all can see just how I did it. I'll give y'all a good little tour, man. I'm not gonna do too much because I want to do a sneaker reveal at the later point in this whole journey that I'm going on. But with that being said, I'm not gonna hold y'all no longer, man. Y'all hit the like button, y'all share this, y'all subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so first things first, I gotta move this stuff that's behind me. I'm gonna be moving this TV stand that's behind me. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. I might and I might not, but I still gotta decide if I want to use it. And then these boxes that are right here, that white box that's containing stored trash that I had, basically. These boxes that are all the way over here, those are just the boxes that came from Container Store that are folded up. All the way up at the top up there, y'all can see that I still got my original shoe boxes. So all that stuff is gonna get sorted out, and then once I get all of that sorted out, I'm gonna try to see if I can put these posters up. See, y'all stick with me, man. All right, y'all, I'm done now. I got everything mounted up on the wall. I think they look pretty good. They're spaced out evenly. And there's only one thing. I covered up one of the outlets, but I mean, I got 20 other outlets in this room. There's 3 on the back wall by itself anyway, so not too worried about that. But yeah, I'll go ahead and flip the camera around. I'll let y'all see what I did, and y'all let me know if y'all like it. All right, y'all, so there you have it. I got everything mounted up. I showed y'all how it looked. Y'all let me know if y'all like it. I think I'm gonna keep that speaker right there in the corner. And then I got all this stuff set up. Next thing that's gonna be coming is probably gonna be my desk set up. And then I'm gonna look at maybe getting some type of seating arrangement here. So y'all get in the comments, y'all let me know if y'all like it, if I should change anything up. But it's been Thrax. This is Thrax Kicks, and I'm out.